any 3 points randomly scattered on a flat plane, like a piece of paper, can be joined up by just one triangle, and this is the only triangle that will use those 3 points. However, there is also just one circle that will go through those 3 points. That special circle is the circumcircle, or called the circumcircle, of that specific triangle. And the usual way, the standard normal way of finding the circumcircle of a specific triangle is to get a compass, put it on the point, and one of the points, open it to more than half of the length of a given side, in this case this side, scribe an arc. Go to the other end of the same side, and use it without changing your compass, scribe another arc. Draw a line between the 2 points where those arcs cross, and you have what is traditionally referred to as a perpendicular bisector. Now, you do that to 2 sides. Actually, I might do it up here on this side. Just more than half of the length of the side, scribe an arc. Go to the other end, scribe an arc. Join the 2 points where the arc crosses. Now what I'm going to do is extend this perpendicular bisector, until it hits the other perpendicular bisector, which are those lines in blue. Now this point, of course, this is a standard way of finding this circumcircle. That point there is the centre of your circumcircle, and you put a compass on that, draw a line. That line goes through all 3 corners of the triangle. There we go. Normal method. Here's a triangle. Start by picking a corner. This one is the one I'm chosen. We're working from the 2 sides adjacent to that corner, here and here. First, we're going to construct 90-degree angle from each of these sides. Should be our first one. We then draw a line at 90 degrees to this first side, like so. Working from the same corner, we select the other side, we construct a 90-degree line for this side also. So I'm not sure if you can see my red. Come on. Apologise for the cheap, horrible compass. Oops. Double check. That's okay. So now we construct a 90-degree line across here also. From opposite corners. point where the two lines we have constructed at 90 degrees to our two chosen sides, here where these lines intersect, is now joined to the original corner we chose. That is the diameter of the circumcircle that inscribes this triangle. So all we need to do is divide this diameter by 2. In this method, you have now got the circumcenter, and I'll just attempt to see how good a job I did by drawing in the circumcircle in red. Oh, I'm doing a horrible job. Trying to make the thing visible. Oops. A nice circle, but a visible circle. Oh, horrible cheap compass. I apologise. Ah, I give up. Right. I hope you can see that circle exists. That's the technique I discovered, and I was wondering what it's called. Thank you.